How is hepatitis virus transmitted? What is viral hepatitis? Viral hepatitis is a liver inflammation caused by specific viruses, most commonly hepatitis A, B, C, D, and E. These viruses can cause both acute, short-term, and chronic, long-term, hepatitis, thus leading to a range of health problems, some of which can be severe or even fatal. How is the viral hepatitis transmitted? Viral hepatitis can be transmitted through various routes, but this depends on the type of hepatitis virus. Each hepatitis virus has their own specific routes of transmission. Let's study the routes of each virus one by one. Hepatitis A, HAV. Hepatitis A is primarily transmitted through the fecal-oral route. This means that it spreads when a normal person ingests food or water contaminated with the stool of an infected individual. This can happen through various routes, including poor hygiene practices, failure to wash hands properly after using the bathroom, especially when preparing food, can spread the virus. Contaminated food and water. The hepatitis A virus is present in the stool of infected individuals. If food or water is contaminated with stool, even in small amounts, consuming it can lead to infection. Hepatitis B, HBV. Hepatitis B virus is primarily transmitted through contact with infected blood and other bodily fluids, like semen and vaginal secretions. This can occur through various routes. Blood-borne transmission. The hepatitis B virus is most readily spread through direct contact with infected blood. This includes situations like accidental needle sticks, sharing needles or syringes for drug use, or transfusions with contaminated blood or blood products. Bodily fluids. Hepatitis B can also be transmitted through other bodily fluids, like semen and vaginal secretions, primarily through sexual contact. Mother-to-child transmission. An infected mother can pass the virus to her baby during childbirth, leading to a higher risk of chronic infection in the newborn. Other routes. While less common, hepatitis B can also be transmitted through sharing personal items, like razors or toothbrushes, with an infected person or through exposure to infected body fluids through cuts or other wounds. Hepatitis C, HCV. Hepatitis C is primarily transmitted through direct blood-to-blood contact. This includes various routes. Sharing injections. Sharing needles, syringes, or other drug-related equipment is the most common way hepatitis C is spread in the United States. Healthcare settings. Reuse or inadequate sterilization of medical equipment, like needles, can transmit the virus. Blood transfusions and organ transplants. Before widespread blood screening in 1992. Hepatitis C could be transmitted through blood transfusions and organ transplants. Mother-to-child. An infected mother can pass the virus to her baby during birth. Tattoos and body piercings. Getting tattoos or body piercings with non-sterile equipment can also transmit the virus. Sharing personal items. Sharing razors, toothbrushes, or nail clippers with someone who has hepatitis C can also increase the risk of infection. Hepatitis D, HDV. Hepatitis D virus is transmitted primarily through contact with infected blood or other bodily fluids, similar to hepatitis B virus. This can occur through various routes. Sharing injections. Sharing needles or syringes to inject drugs is a high-risk behavior for HDV transmission. Sexual transmission. HDV can be transmitted through sexual contact, though the risk is lower compared to HBV. Accidental needle sticks. Needle sticks from contaminated needles can also transmit HDV. Shared personal items. Sharing razors, toothbrushes, or other personal care items with someone who has hepatitis D can also transmit it. Vertical transmission. While less common, HDV can be transmitted from mother to child during childbirth. Hepatitis E, HEV. Hepatitis E is primarily transmitted through the fecal-oral route, meaning it spreads when someone ingests food or water contaminated with the stool of an infected person. This can happen through various routes, including fecal-oral route. The virus is shed in the stool of infected individuals and can contaminate water, food, or surfaces. When someone ingests contaminated water or food, they can become infected. Zoonotic transmission. Hepatitis E can also be transmitted to humans from animals, particularly pigs, deer, and wild boar, through the consumption of raw or undercooked meat from these animals. In conclusion, understanding the transmission routes of different hepatitis viruses is essential for effective prevention and control. By promoting hygiene, safe medical practices, and informed behaviors, we can greatly reduce the spread of these potentially life-threatening infections. Let's stay informed, stay safe, and protect our communities.